Obviously, we start with perfect clean skin and continue with Prairie Skin Caviar skincare products to achieve a flawless finish. Caviar Infinite. This is for a medium to long wear, luminous coverage. If your skin has dark circles, I'm a massive fan of the Essence of Skin Caviar Eye Complex as a booster. This really is a treat for delicate, under-eye skin areas and helps with circles, keeping the area of skin looking well-rested and hydrated. I love to apply concealer that's a little bit warm so that it really melts into the skin. I like the loose powder to be applied a minute or two after the foundation application to give the products time to settle on the face and really look fresh. I love to apply a light dusting of the new Skin Caviar loose powder with the loose powder brush to really set the makeup. When using the brush, make sure that the wrist does the majority of the work for a better application.